Tough time building your affiliate marketing. Start with these top tips. Affiliate marketing is the concept of using one website to send traffic to another business and is an effective method of online marketing, which is underutilized and overlooked by many businesses. This video can help you to understand these concepts and you can see great increases in your business and profits in an exponential way. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. As clearly stated in the beginning of the video, affiliate marketing is a great way to be able to increase your business while working with another business in a reciprocal manner. By understanding and applying these practices, you can see increased traffic to your business as well as a positive relationship with a business that was simply a competitor before. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.